Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn a smart way to solve tricky math problems. It's called GEMDAS. But before we start, let me ask, who here has ever solved a math problem and wasn't sure what to do first? Addition or multiplication? Subtraction or division? Raise your hand. That's good. That's exactly what we'll fix today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to remember the order of operations using GEMDAS, solve expressions step by step, use GEMDAS to solve real life problems. Okay, let's break it down. G is equals to groupings, symbols like parentheses or brackets. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. Here are the steps. Step 1. Solve inside grouping symbols. Step 2. Do multiplication or division from left to right. Step 3. Do addition or subtraction from left to right. Let's solve together. Number 1. 9 divided by 3 is equal to? That's right. Now, it's 16 plus 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is equal to? That's good. Now, 16 plus 12 is equal to? Correct. The answer is 28. Let's try 3 more. You solve them with me. The first given example are open parentheses 9 plus 6 closing parentheses divided by 3 minus 2. Let's solve this example step by step. Step 1. 9 plus 6 equals to? Step 2. 15 divided by 3 is equal to? Step 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to? That's correct. Now, let's use GEMDAS in real-life situations. Ready? This will be fun. Problem number 1. A math club makes 20 chocolate bars each week. Each sells for 50 pesos. But 8 bars were eaten by a mice. How much money will they make after 4 weeks? Step 1. How many bars are left? 20 minus 8 is equal to? Step 2. How much for 12 bars? 12 times 50 is equal to? Step 3. Multiply by 4 weeks. 600 times 4 is equal to? Correct. They earned 2,400 pesos. Great job today, class. You learned how to solve math problems using GEMDAS.